No one at home. Your brain like, psst, it's time to watch your corn. You sat on a chair, open your laptop and start browsing pages after pages on Pornhub. Then you feel super happy. Your brain is full of dopamine. But here's the problem. When your brain gets a lot of dopamine, it wants that feeling again and again. It creates a craving, and that's how addiction starts. Next time, while no one at home, you watch porn again, at night, at morning, and no one seeing nearby, you start to watch porn again and again. It's scary, but it's true. Many companies use this to their advantage. They design products and websites to give you tons of dopamine, so you keep coming back for more. That's why social media has those endless feeds, and why video games have levels and scores. They give you little dopamine hits, keeping you hooked. And the worst part? Things like social media, junk food, or anything that gives you instant pleasure take no effort at all. You just consume and boom, dopamine rush. It's crazy, but we live in a world designed to make us feel good all the time, just so companies can make more money. Dopamine actually controls the choices we make every day. That means dopamine is secretly in charge of our lives. And that's why so many people spend their time just consuming things, instead of building the life they really want. If you're someone who addicted to porn, scrolling through social media without even knowing what you're doing, then you will have zero motivation to do things. You feel so bored. That's where you really want to change. You need to cut out all the distractions and focus on what you really wanted to achieve. A dopamine detox doesn't mean getting rid of all dopamine. You still want to feel good, right? But what you need targeting here are those external things. Social media, alcohol, anything that triggers those impulsive behaviors. So, in the next 14 days, I challenge you to set these rules. Delete all social media apps on your phone. Say goodbye to your TV, Netflix, or video games. No junk food, no alcohol, and no music. Yes, I'm asking you to live like you are living in a jungle. So what you can do actually, instead of watching porn, replace it with something that helps climb the success ladder. If you are an editor, start doing a project, get busy with it. If you are a photographer, go out and take some photos. If you are a student, leave all distractions like phones in another room and start studying. If you are a businessman, try to find a new idea. It will be tough at first, but trust me, you can do it. And I want to hear all about it. After 14 days, come back and leave a comment telling me how you feel. Are you more focused, more creative, more in control of your life? So what are you waiting for? Turn off this video right now and start your dopamine detox journey. Your brain will thank you.